Good morning, class 11. You are all welcome to our school, AK Academy. Now, I would like to introduce myself first to you, as we are going to start our online classes with you. I am Malay Chakraborty, Assistant Headmaster of AK Academy. I am English teacher. I will take English classes in your class. Now, as we are introducing each and everybody in our online class, I would like to first discuss the syllabus, the new syllabus prescribed for class 11, okay, with you. You know, your syllabus in English has been categorized into different sections. The first part is prose. Prose. 20 marks is allotted from the prose portion. There are 5 proses in your syllabus, namely number 1, Leela's Friend, number 2, Karma, number 3, Jimmy Valentine, number 4, Noble Lecture, number 5, The Place of Art in Education. Okay, you notice the question pattern. First of all, MCQ, multiple choice question. Okay, there will be 5 multiple choice questions. 4 options will be there against each question. 1 marks is allotted for each MCQ. Okay, this is MCQ. You, in order to answer MCQ, you should have clear concept regarding the text. If you go through the text carefully, repeatedly, then the idea will be there in your mind, and you can utilize your idea in order to make answer. Okay, because 4 options will be there, but you have to select the most suitable options, which is the right answer. Understood? So 5 marks will be there. Each question will be there from each textual piece. Okay, each textual piece means 4 text, 4 story are there. So 1 question will be there from each text. So there are 5 MCQ. You have to answer by selecting the most appropriate options. Now, number 2, SAQ. SAQ means self-assessment questionnaire. Self-assessment questionnaire, 2 from each textual piece. 2 into 5, that is 10 marks. That means 2 questions will be there, and you have to answer the key in full sentence. You have to write the answer in full sentence. Next, DAQ. DAQ, descriptive answer question. Marks can be allotted in this type: 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 or 1 plus 4. 2 questions will be there. Each question contains 5 marks. So there will be 10 marks. 10 marks is allotted for the descriptive question, and each question will be written within 100 words. Okay, this is obviously descriptive question. And in order to write descriptive question, you have to go through the text very carefully. You have to practice how to write long answers. Okay, there are question paper in the market. You have to collect either Duff and Dotto or Rai and Martin or ABTA or WBTA class 11 question paper, and you need to practice the various type of descriptive questions and SAUQ means self-assessment questionnaire, in order to grasp the idea how to write short type question and how to write descriptive type question. Clear? Next, poetry section. You know 20 marks is allotted from the poetry and the question pattern is remain the same like prose in poetry. Okay, there are 5 poetry. What are they? Number 1, composed upon Westminster Bridge. Number 2, meeting at night. Number 3, the sick rose. Number 4, brotherhood. Number 3, daybreak. Okay, so first is MCQ, multiple choice question. Okay, 5 MCQ will be there, each from each textual piece. 4 options will be there. After reading that statement, you have to select the most appropriate option so that your answer can be correct and marks can be given to you. Okay. Next, SAUQ, self-assessment questionnaire. 2 from each textual piece. 2 from each textual piece. That means 2 into 5, that is 10 marks is allotted, and you have to write this short question in complete sentence. Next, DAQ, that is descriptive assessment question. The question pattern can be there in this way: 2 plus 3, that means 2 marks plus 3 is equal to 5, 3 plus 2 or 1 plus 4. That means 2 questions, you have to write 2 long questions. The word limit of each question or each answer must be within 100 words, not more than 100 words. Okay, you have to write each descriptive question within 100 words, not more than 100 words. Understood? Now, there will be textual grammar containing 10 marks. Okay, first of all, from the text there will be voice change, narration, transformation of sentences from like simple to complex or complex to simple or simple to compound or compound to simple. Next, changes of degree of comparison. Next, interchanges of parts of piece. Next, affirmative to negative and vice versa. Exclamatory to assertive and vice versa. And there will be also questions on infinitive, gerund and participle, and joining from simple to complex or complex to simple or simple to compound, and splitting. Okay, and splitting will also be there. So for these sections, 5 questions will be there. Each question contains 1 marks. That means 1 into 5. That means there will be 5 questions from these. 1 from voice, 1 from narration, 1 from transformations of sentences, 1 from degree, or 1 from interchange of parts of piece, or 1 from either affirmative to negative or exclamatory assertive. Then we will have to answer those 5 questions. Then 5 marks will be allotted to you. 5 marks will be awarded to you. Next, there will be fill in the blanks with suitable article and preposition, absolutely from the text. So, in order to put the article and preposition, you should have very clear concept or keen concept regarding your prose piece. Okay, so in order to grasp the idea, you need to go through the text very carefully, neatly and thoroughly. Okay, and also you have to write the fill in the blanks with suitable article and preposition from question paper. If you practice thoroughly by checking or by seeing the question paper, either Rai and Martin or Dav Dattu or WBT or ABTA question paper, then you will have a clear idea how to put suitable article and preposition according to the text, okay, in your answer script. Okay, next, there is a rapid reader. Okay, and the marks is allotted for the articular deposition is 3 marks. That means 6 blanks will be there, okay, and each blanks contains half marks, okay. So only 6 into 1 by 2, that is 3 marks is there for the fill in the blanks with suitable article and preposition, okay. Next, rapid reader. Rapid reader, Shakespearean tales. There are some Shakespearean tales like Macbeth, As You Like It, Hamlet, Winter's Tales, okay. They are written in prose forms. The stories are written in the prose form. You have to read the story thoroughly. Then marks for the rapid reader is 10. 5 MCQ will be there from the rapid reader, and 1 descriptive question containing 5 marks will be there from the rapid reader, okay. So there is a prescribed syllabus for the rapid reader, okay, and in your English class the teacher will help you to read the text, and the teacher will also help you to understand the ideas of each and every Shakespearean tales like Macbeth, Winter's Tale, As You Like It, Othello, Hamlet, etc. So by reading the story and by repeatedly reading the story, you have to grasp the ideas so that you can correctly answer MCQ from the rapid reader, as well as you can write 1 descriptive question from the rapid reader, okay. Now comes to writing portion, okay. Writing portions, first of all, paragraph or story writing will be there containing 10 marks. Paragraphs, there are 3 types of paragraphs can be there. One is descriptive, another is narrative, another is current affairs, okay. So question on paragraph can be there from any descriptions, from any narration, or from any current affairs, or it can be reflective, it can be argumentative. It can be reflective or it can be argumentative, okay. So next, ESP means English for specific purpose. English for specific purpose means you know English language, but how can you write your English in different purposes, okay. Suppose newspaper advertisement and commercial leaflet, okay. You know English, but do you have the idea how to write newspaper advertisement in the classified sections in daily English newspaper, okay. So you have to practice and you have to know how to mold a newspaper advertisement, okay. So in order to mold the newspaper advertisement, you should go through or you need to practice the writing of advertisement by getting the questions from the question paper, okay, and then you also have to write commercial leaflet, each containing 5 marks, okay. That means 10 marks is allotted for writing ESP. One is newspaper advertisement, another is commercial leaflet. So 10 marks will be there from these sections. And next is project. Project is 20 marks. This is called internal assessment. Project is called internal assessment, and there will be project from different topics, you know. Suppose developing a story. Developing a story, suppose a line will be there, or the teacher will give you a line, okay. Now you have to elaborate the line, okay, and make a story of your own. The story must be written within 1000 to 1500 words, okay. The story must be written within 1000 to 1500 words, okay. This is a developing a story. And next, Next, dramatizing a story from within the syllabus or outside the syllabus. Okay, stage direction, that is contents are drawn and what is on stage, location must be mentioned. Topics has to be selected by student for dramatization, dividing the story into scene, creation of scenes according to the incidents narrated in the story. The story as if enacted on stage, introducing dialogue, original innovations to be encouraged with a little digression from the main story. Or you can write a autobiography. ঠিক আছে, the autobiography, it can be autobiography of a coin, it can be an autobiography of a book, or it can be autobiography of a river, or it can be autobiography of a banyan tree, etc., etc. Or you can also, it can be autobiography of a famous person or a person. Okay, so student can write an autobiography on himself or herself, and students is also allowed to write the autobiography of himself or herself. Okay, so this is the project. Okay, this is called internal assessment. 20 marks is allotted for this. Each and every students will have to write, select a particular topic which I have already told you, within 1000 to 1500 words, and after writing this project you have to submit it to the English teacher, okay, within the stipulated time before the commencement of the examinations in a channel file, okay, with all kind of decorations. Okay, so this is all about the class 11 English syllabus. This is newly prescribed English syllabus for class 11. Okay, so I think this is the total portion, 100 marks is there. Okay, so this is the syllabus. You have to an idea, or you must have an idea about the new prescribed syllabus in class 11 in English. Then you need to slowly read the text very carefully, very neatly and very sincerely, so that you can have a clear idea regarding the prose and poetry. After reading each and every prose and poetry piece, you have to solve the MCQ, SAQ and DAQ type of question. After practicing or solving MCQ, SAQ or DAQ, you need to solve the textual grammar. Textual grammar contains voice, narration, transformation of sentences from simple to complex and simple to compound, or vice versa. You need to practice the degree or the comparison. Thereafter, you need to practice interchanges of parts of speech. That means do as directed. That is, suppose a sentence is there by using a noun. Okay, then the question setter can ask you change the sentence or rewrite the sentence by using the verb form of the underlined words or italicized words. Then this is called changes of parts of speech. Thereafter, the question can be there from affirmative to negative or exclamative to assertive and vice versa. So 5 questions will be there. So you have to, after finishing each and every prose or poetry, you need to practice the total prescribed grammatical portion, so that you can write answer correctly and you can get 5 marks from this portion. Okay, and also you need to practice the fill up with suitable article and preposition. In order to make your answer correct, you need to read or go through the text thoroughly or repeatedly, and thereafter you have to solve the question from the question paper for molding yourself so that you can also write, but you can answer correctly the article and prepositions. Okay. With that, you need to practice. You need to read the Shakespearean tales, that is the rapid reader, for getting 10 marks. And with that, you need to practice the writing portion, especially the ESP portion, newspaper advertisement, and paragraph or story writing. Okay. This is all about your syllabus in English. Okay, understood? So this is all about for today. Thank you for joining me on online class. Hope the school will soon open. When the school will open, we will join in the class and we will enjoy more and more English classes. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye.